HP is joining the small circle of PC makers getting into the tabletop PC business with the just-announced Envy Rove 20. Calling something a tabletop PC is our shorthand for a large tablet or an all-in-one that can fold down flat, and to date we've seen versions from Dell, Sony, Asus, and Lenovo with screens between 18 inches and 27 inches in size. The new Rove 20 from HP most closely resembles the Sony Vaio Tap 20. Both are 20-inch designs, and both use a built-in kickstand that folds into the chassis rather than having a display that detaches from the base. Like the Tap 20, the Rove 20 is heavy, nearly 12 pounds, and too thick for anything but occasional lugging around the house. HP says this new model will include WIDI for sending video signals to compatible external displays, Beats surrounded audio, and 802.11ac Wi-Fi. Details beyond that are not yet available, as the Rove 20 is expected to have Intel's not yet announced next-gen Haswell processors. The system should ship sometime in July, and HP says it'll start at under $1,000. The Rove is part of a summertime update to many HP systems, including the Envy 14, 15, and 17. Most interesting is the HP Pavilion 11 TouchSmart, an 11-inch semi-sequel to one of our favorite laptops, the low-cost AMD-powered HP DM1. With HP joining the tabletop PC club, the mini genre is getting a serious shot in the arm. To date, the Dell XPS 18 has been our favorite for flexibility with a lighter yet slightly smaller screen, and the Lenovo Horizon was well liked for its ambitious larger size, clever tabletop gaming accessories, and custom software interface. You can check out the current lineup of tabletop PCs online. There aren't that many so far, there are still under 10, but it's just kind of interesting to see which designs different developers are going with. And thanks for watching this video, and yeah, we'll look forward to seeing you next time for another CTN video.